I think everybody's at least held an AVR in their hands at some point. This is the thing that you're gonna find in touring pros' bags still to this day. One of the original molds back in 1984, and it's been a staple ever since. This is what's coming in those little 3-disc starter packs that you can pick up anywhere. More putters have evolved from this disc here than any other disc. The fact that it does not have a bead on the bottom gives it a little different feel than the variations of an AVR that have the bead. Very dependable putting putter because it's a very neutral stability. It's a very glidey disc. It's one that's going to be very easy to kind of keep on its line as you throw it. It's just going to really carry straight to the target. Any player can grab a hold of and just give it a nice throw, and it's going to give you a good true flight. It can handle a surprising amount of power too. The more beat up it starts to get, you're going to see it turns a little bit more if you throw it with power. If you develop a good throwing technique and use the feedback that this disc is giving you, it's going to help you throw any disc out there because it's all going to translate into the same throwing mechanics that you're trying to develop to get a good release out of this disc. No matter where you are with it, you could have been playing for 10 years now, there's still a spot for the AVR in the bag.